When all the planets were formed, each planet was surrounded by a thick layer of gases, mainly hydrogen and nitrogen. This was the Earth's primary atmosphere. As the Earth is close to the Sun, these light gases were removed from the atmosphere through intense solar activity. Following millions of years, the Earth's surface was cooling down to a molten mass and a thin crust was forming. Lots of volcanic activity released large quantities of gas through the crust. These gases included nitrogen, ammonia, methane, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. They made up the Earth's secondary atmosphere. When the Earth cooled down to just below 100 degrees, the water vapor in the atmosphere condensed. The resulting rain formed lakes and oceans, creating the Earth's surface as we know it today. Many years later, the first bacteria developed deep in the oceans. Through photosynthesis, they released oxygen. The UV rays of the sun transformed the oxygen, which is O2, to the ozone, which is O3. The ozone layer protected the Earth from some of the UV rays, which otherwise would have destroyed any living organism. As a result, plants could now live closer to the Earth's surface and finally on the surface. These plants also release O2, so the ozone layer grew continually. Many years later, the ozone layer was thick enough for animals to live on the surface too. In order to understand what happened all these millions of years ago, scientists tried to analyze the atmosphere of other planets to see if there are similarities to the Earth. Some scientists believe that the atmosphere of Titan is similar to the Earth's early atmosphere. It consists of 98% nitrogen, which could have been produced by volcanoes. The important similarity to Earth is possible volcanic activity and that there is no oxygen. Other scientists believed that Mars and Venus have a similar atmosphere, as there are lots of volcanoes and also no oxygen. However, instead of nitrogen, their atmospheres are mostly carbon dioxide. So you see, the search for what really happened back then continues.